What is up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to dive into some photo editing, and we're going to just talk about how to edit photographs, how to create presets, but I'm also going to give you some free presets in this video, so the link for that will be down below. The main thing when editing and making sure that you are creating presets is to create continuity throughout your photographs. You want to make sure that you have consistent looking photographs throughout. So the other thing you want to do is make sure you shoot in RAW. Make sure your photographs are in RAW. So your photograph should say .cr3. That's when you're going to want to use Lightroom from there. From there, you have a raw image that has more data for you to edit from. It allows you to edit that picture and not destroy it. Is when you're editing your photos, you go and adjust all of these things, and then you come over here to the left and you click here and you press create preset. And what it'll do is it will save the settings for that, and you can name it what you want and you can save it. That's basically what I've done for all of these pictures. Because we have different skin tones, because we have different lighting scenarios, some of these pictures were shot on different days. A preset was created for each one of those scenarios. And if you want to, you can bring up the shadows. So create, you just click, control click on these to get your little node points. And then you can just drag up the shadows to bring up. You can see down here in her jacket where those shadows are being lifted up. You are using an artificial light and not natural light, so the feel of the photograph is going to look a little different. Also, like you can see a little bit more drama here. So let's look at this side by side of what it looked like before and after. So very flat. I wanted to make sure my blacks were black in this picture, so I exposed his skin evenly, which made that fall off for the backdrop dark enough for me. This is another scenario with Kobe in natural light. You can see her skin tone is a little bit. It could be brought down just a little bit. It's very vibrant in this picture. But actually, I love it. I think that's like when I see her in person, I feel like that's where her skin tone is. So I like it. I probably could draw a little bit of the orange out of there. The way you do that is you go down to your HSL in color, and you can see the orange is already brought down because that's going to be where her skin tone is. You can see if I bring that all the way down, that's going to adjust like where her skin tone is. And some people's skin tone may be more on the red side, maybe more on the yellow side, but hers seems to fall right here in this orange side. And it probably could be more like that versus where we were. Let's see where we were. A little bit orange there. I think I probably could bring that down a little bit more to about right there. That's a happy medium. It looks good and not too orange. So you can check out more videos like this in depth on our Patreon. You join there, you support all the creators involved with creating the behind the scenes, the photographs, the artists behind a lot of the work. So we really appreciate your continued support on Patreon. We also thank you for supporting us here on the Camera Hacks and watching our videos and just being a part of the community. So there are some free downloads down below, so make sure you click on that. There will be some presets there for you, and there'll also be some test photographs for you as well. And also we'll have this full pack available online for purchase on the Camera Hacks website. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.